What is going on, YouTube fam? Mark here, and I've got another review for you for, you guessed it, the Tesla here. This one comes in from Amazon once again, and this is a product that will help you, as most cars come with the cup holders and the inserts and things like that, but this will help you keep your car protected. We're going to go through and open this one up. This is a 7 Sparta cup holder liner accessory for the Tesla there, because the Teslas come stripped. They don't have floor mats if you get the the base model, and you're going to need to get something like this. So this is like a neoprene non-slip rubber, it feels like, and we're going to open it up. Now I think with this one we are probably going to have to use it. No, it's just an easy slip open like that. Let's pull this out of here, and as you guys can see, that rubber attached to that it makes it a little bit difficult to get it out. Pull them out one at a time. There we go. Oh, this one's hard. All right, there. I'm going to have some trouble getting this big one out, so there it is, like there. There we go. We'll get that one in there. Last one, guys. I'm going to get it out of here, I promise, somehow or another. What I'm going to have to do is roll it and probably get that bag separated from it. Oh, my goodness. Sorry for all the noise there. All right, so there we go. We've got 2 main cup holders, or 2 back cup holders probably. You got the front cup holders and a pad that goes in the center right there. And this is 7 Sparta. Again, this price on this, if you guys can imagine this, is $8.99. You can get it in a number of colors: black, red, white, and those are the colors that it gets. $8.99 for all of those colors. This right here is a good value for what you're getting, and this will help keep your car clean. One of the things that I have on the back of here is I see this in the black shininess in the back, as you guys can see right there. It looks like it's going to collect a lot of dust and dirt, which is great because it's going to pull it up out of that cup holder for you, and then you can come back in and wash these. So this rubber with a white accent, we'll see how they go for about 6 months to a year in the heat right there. But all in all, very simple, real easy. Cup holders, you got a center console portion. You've got, I think this is inside where the change tray goes, and all that in there. Pretty awesome. I'm digging it. For $8.99, you can't beat it for protecting that, because the Tesla Model 3 Standard and the Standard Range Plus do not come with these in there. So good accenting color. As I was mentioning in some of the other videos, we are going to be doing some white, and you can watch that other video right here about the Tesla carbon fiber steering wheel bottom insert right here. This sticks right on the bottom of the portion of the steering wheel, and that's it. Thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing. Hit that bell button. I've got a lot of more products to come up. I have the vinyl wraps, I have some of the door handles, and a lot of these right here are being found and on Amazon. So if you didn't want to waste your $8.99, you can see what it is, and they work. They're not thin or flimsy. They're really awesome. So pick one up with a link in the description. Also, if you want to explore and see how affordable Teslas really are, check out my referral code in the bottom. You'll get up to 1,000 miles if you do it before the 28th, and 1,000 miles after the 28th, or 5,000 before the 28th. So if you're discovering this video after the fact, you get still 1,000 free supercharging miles for your Tesla for that referral there, and you can find that link in the description there. So thanks again for watching. I guess I will see you guys soon.